Greetings from Shiba Inu Crypto once again, everyone. A true Shiba Inu creator has recently been discovered. Shiba news for today. The SHIB community is quite excited about the new live views of the Shiba metaverse that were released at the South by Southwest Festival in Austin, Texas. The official movie poster was revealed by principal developer Shoshiro Kusama, and extensive video views of the WMI Temple Hub were displayed, as reported by Bitcoinist yesterday. A true Shiba Inu creator has recently been discovered. Shiba news for today. Remember to give the video a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel to get our most recent articles on expert analysis and Shiba price forecasts. Let's get the video started right now. Shiba Inu's price has increased by 4% in the last day as the cryptocurrency market bounces back from the weekend sell-off and gains from concerns about the banking sector. SHIB has down 1.5% during the past week and 15% over the past 30 days at 0.199. Despite a 35% increase in value since the start of the year, SHIB remains one of the most traded ERC20 tokens on the market. While large investors hold the largest holdings, according to the most recent wallet data, and Shiba Inu is still waiting for the shibarium Layer 2 network to launch, there are many reasons to believe that more rallies are on the way, particularly if the perceived banking crisis prompts investors to turn to cryptocurrencies. Shib's relative strength index jumped from 30 to little over 40, indicating that its current surge may continue for a few more days, according to its indicators. Given that the RSI has recovered from an oversold position, it's possible that this week's gain may last. The fact that the price of SHIB has not yet risen beyond its 30-day moving average lends credence to the suspicion. SHIB might soar further higher and target the 0.00125 level it was trading at the start of March if it manages to break through the resistance level at 0.0000015. It's likely that it will get to this point before the month is out. In fact, the U.S. banking crisis is driving individuals into the cryptocurrency space, which is what initially sparked today's SHIB rally and the market-wide upswing that has driven Shib's price higher. Given the number of banks that have already failed and the sharp decrease in stock prices of several others, it appears that some consumers are looking for alternatives to banks for where to deposit their money. Although the Federal Reserve and other authorities have intervened to ease concerns, it's unclear when the crisis will settle, which may work to the benefit of SHIB and other cryptocurrencies. shibarium's entrance, which debuted in beta over the weekend, is also probably going to help SHIB. Ultimately, the creation of a Layer 2 network dedicated to Shiba Inu will only serve to boost the latter's ecosystem's usage, which has been growing over the previous few years to incorporate dApps like shibaswap. Shiba Inu will be easier, quicker, and less expensive to utilize with shibarium, increasing demand for SHIB. The fact that SHIB is already in high demand and is one of the most popular ERC20 coins among whales makes all of this especially exciting. As previously said, behind ETH, USDC, and USDT, it continues to be the fourth most commonly owned ERC20 token by whales in terms of dollars. Presently, among whales, SHIB ranks 12th in terms of purchases, trailing only a few stablecoins and few alts like SNX and Matic. With time, this kind of popularity is probably only going to grow. In addition, Shiba Inu is anticipating the eventual launch of Shiba the Metaverse, a virtual world with a Shiba Inu theme that may happen by year's end. When it does, users will be able to purchase and explore 10,595 plots of land, and one of its native tokens will be SHIB. Similar to shibarium, the introduction of Shiba Inu's own metaverse is expected to increase demand for SHIB in the future. Therefore, the coin has a very bright future. In terms of the short and medium-term outlook, Chang Li's data points to an average year-high projection of $0.00001544485, a very respectable 40% increase over the current price. Naturally, some SHIB holders have far greater goals in mind, but for the majority of the Shiba Inu community, $0.1 is still a popular, if not totally feasible, target. However, the consultant for the Shiba Inu metaverse, Marcy Jastrow, had something even more exciting in store for the SHIB army. The Shiba Metaverse team met with Ted Skilowitz, the futurist in American film production company Paramount Pictures, to discuss potential collaborations, as the well-known SHIB community member Scorsa stated in a tweet verified by Jastrow. Shiba Inu chief developer Kusama was even drawn to Scorsa's tweet. The SHIB community participant revealed a photo of Paramount Skilowitz and said, "Probably nothing," a sarcastic way of referring to potentially significant discoveries that is frequently employed in the crypto community. Kusama tweeted 4 emoticons with huge eyes to indicate that he is presumably paying attention and to convey his eagerness and curiosity. To the tweet, he also added the hashtags #ShibaMetaverse, #Shibarium, and #Paramount. He also uploaded a GIF of Randy Marsh from South Park saying, "Maybe nothing, maybe everything." The Shiba Inu chief developer's GIF has increased the rumor's visibility and legitimacy and stoked more conjecture regarding Paramount and the Shiba Inu Metaverse team working together. Jastrow went on to say that the Shiba Metaverse at South by Southwest Festival was a big success in an interview with Zach Humph. "In the past 2 days, I've spoken with more brands than ever before about their want to be a part of our metaverse." She revealed the following about her chat with Paramount Skilowitz. "We were sitting with Paramount Pictures head of Futuristics, and I was like, we need to do a licensing deal. Rocket Pond is up next for me. After this are some movies. You should dive right in there, they're all in." Indeed, they are. It's a really good concept. Ted Skilowitz is Paramount Pictures' first ever futurist in residence. In this capacity, Skilowitz collaborates closely with the technical departments of Viacom and Paramount to investigate all novel and cutting-edge technologies, with an emphasis on augmented and virtual reality. He does this by collaborating with outside partners to find fresh opportunities. In addition, he counsels Paramount Pictures executives and creatives on how to integrate emerging technologies into their works. Blockchain data indicates that the cryptocurrency's whales sold off more over 10 trillion SHIB. The SHIB whale balances decreased from 67.9 trillion to 66.9 trillion SHIB on Friday, the day before the cryptocurrency project launched the Shibarium network's early beta phase. Data from blockchain analytics company Into the Block, which was originally published on the Daily Huddle, indicates that there have also been 6.25% less SHIB whale addresses in the last few days. SHIB has increased by almost 7% in the last day despite the whale investment, as the cryptocurrency market as a whole has recovered. The low speed and expensive transaction fees of Ethereum, the host chain for the SHIB currency, are issues that Shibarium, a Layer 2 blockchain, aims to solve. As per the Shibarium team, BONE, the token of shibaswap, is the native token that is chosen to compensate validators and delegators in the Shibarium protocol and pay for gas transactions. Thankfully, Shibarium burns SHIB with each trade, increasing SHIB's scarcity for holders. Prior to the launch of Shibarium, as reported by Crypto Globe, there were more than 1.3 million Ethereum addresses holding SHIB, and the average duration that Coinbase users keep the meme-inspired cryptocurrency before selling it or transferring it to an external address has exceeded 230 days. Because there are fewer Shiba Inus controlled by new whales, the coin is more decentralized and less vulnerable to their decisions. Additionally, as additional traders may result in higher trading volume, it boosts Shib's liquidity. By going to a newly created website, anyone can play with this early public beta version of Shibarium. We're done for today. Remember to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel in order to watch our most recent videos.